This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing essentials: an email, a strong password, and Git installed on your machine. Open Github. And click Sign Up, enter your email, choose a username, and set the password. You do this now because a correct username links commits and avoids later renames. Once done, verify your email. This activates features. Make sure to pick free versus paid deliberately. If you plan private repos or advanced CI, opt for Pro. This gets you into the site and ready to configure. Now you configure the account so it works with your workflow. In Settings, enable two-factor authentication. You do this to protect repos and credentials. Next, add your display name, bio, and public email so collaborators recognize you. This ties commits to a clear identity. Then generate a personal access token for the command line and API access. Store it safely in a password manager. Once done, update your local Git config with git config global user name and user. You finish by creating and syncing a repository. Click New Repository, name it, set private or public, and initialize with a README so the project exists immediately. Clone it locally, add a file, git add, git commit, and git push. Use your PAT for HTTPS or your SSH key if you added one. Once done, verify the repo shows your commit on GitHub. If something goes wrong, check the token or SSH key configuration. Confirm the remote URL and repeat the push. Most issues are credentials or wrong remotes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.